This video will cover cleaning and care and how to replace your ceramic sharpening wheel. Let's get started. We recommend hand washing your Ninja knives to maintain optimal performance. Dishwashers can reduce performance and the longevity of your knives and damage the handles and blades. After hand washing, make sure to thoroughly dry your knives before storing to prevent watermarks and spotting. The included shears can also separate into two pieces for easy cleaning. Fully open the shears with blades pointing away from you, then pull the piece with the hole off the bolt. To clean your knife block, simply wipe the knife block with a damp, not wet, dish towel or paper towel. For best results, also make sure to clean the ceramic sharpening wheel every 6 months with running water and a soft bristle brush, and replace it every 2 years. We recommend replacing the sharpener wheel every 2 years for optimal sharpening results. To replace the ceramic sharpening wheel, start by removing the sharpener from the knife block. For a step-by-step on how to remove the sharpener, make sure to check out the Getting Started video. Turn the sharpener over. On the bottom, you'll see a small hinged access panel, similar to a latch or maintenance cover. Open this panel by pulling the tab and flipping the cover open. Inside, you'll see a black lever mechanism that holds the ceramic wheel in place. Grip the lever and gently push it backward until it clicks and locks into a stationary position. Next, locate the small black locking pin on the side of the mechanism. Flip the pin upward to release it, then slide it out. Once the locking pin is removed, the ceramic wheel should easily fall out. Now you can take your new ceramic wheel and place it into position. Reinsert the locking pin and press it back down to secure the wheel. Give the wheel a gentle spin to make sure it's properly seated and moves smoothly. Finally, release the lever mechanism so it snaps back into its original position. Close the access panel, making sure it clicks securely shut. Your sharpener is now ready to use. For more tips, tricks, and detailed information, be sure to check out the use and care guide that's included with your unit, or visit us at sharkninja.com.